Bracketing. Correctly bracketing the Raupiano Plus piping further improves the inherent acoustic properties of the system. It also ensures the pipe has the freedom to expand correctly, while properly securing the system. It's important that our Rehau authorised installers are competent in the planning and assembly of the support brackets. The following is an overview of the various brackets and the bracketing layouts required for different installations. We will step through each bracket type separately, as well as explaining when the different layouts are required. It is advisable to install a Raupiano Plus stack from the bottom up, as this makes the installation process much simpler and smoother and avoids unnecessary rework. Rehau's sound dampening brackets are specially designed to minimise vibration transmission by decoupling the pipe vibration within the vertical stack from the building. Sound dampening brackets are installed on every stack, once per floor towards the top. If the Raupiano Plus system is installed with no acoustic requirements, the sound dampening bracket is not required and can be replaced with a fixing bracket. Rehau's sound dampening brackets are actually an assembly of two brackets. The correct installation is as follows. 1. Connect the bottom bracket to the wall and leave it open. 2. The top bracket should then be clamped tight on the pipe so that it will be positioned just above where the bottom bracket is installed. 3. Insert the pipe along with a tight top bracket into the bottom bracket and close it. 4. Position the sound dampening assembly so that the two brackets are in full contact with one another, with the top bracket tight on the pipe and resting on the bottom bracket, which is loose on the pipe. The complete assembly holds the stack securely in place while providing optimum acoustic performance. The black fixing brackets are installed on horizontal pipe runs. They are installed on every length of pipe, near the pipe socket and fixed to the ceiling. They are always tight on the pipe to hold the pipe sockets in place. In vertical stacks on every third floor, they are also used as security brackets. In this case, they are installed underneath the sound dampening bracket and prevent the stack from moving upwards. On vertical stacks, they are never fixed to the wall, as this would create sound bridges to the building structure. Finally, the green guiding brackets are installed on both horizontal and vertical pipework and are fixed to the ceiling or the wall respectively. They are loose on the pipe, with the yellow spacers inserted on either side. Their purpose is to provide guidance and support, while not restricting thermal movement and allowing each pipe to expand into the socket of the next connecting pipe. In horizontal pipes, the guiding brackets are installed between the fixing brackets. The distance between each bracket is dependent on the pipe diameter and is either 10 times or 15 times the diameter. A full reference table can be found in the Raupiano Plus technical information. In vertical stacks, guiding brackets are normally installed near the bottom of every floor. If the ceiling height exceeds 4 metres, then use an additional guiding bracket and space them 2 metres apart. If the pipe layout restricts the ability to install a bracket at the maximum allowable spacing, be sure to reduce the spacing to provide adequate support. It is unacceptable to simply skip a bracket. Horizontal pipework should be installed as close to the ceiling as possible. If it is not possible and the distance between the ceiling and crown of the pipe is greater than 300 millimetres, an anchor bracket should be used. Anchor points are a type of reinforced fixing bracket. They lock the pipework in place and prevent lateral movement or swaying from occurring. Anchor brackets are required every 6 metres in a straight run, or every 4 metres if the temperature is greater than 60 degrees C. They should be installed at every change of flow direction. They should be installed at all junctions where the branch pipe length is greater than 2 metres or 1 metre where the temperature exceeds 60 degrees C. They should also be installed where a branch enters a stack or where the stack rolls over. Please note, this is a recommendation and is not seismic tested. Please consider the correct way to install the type of anchor bracket you choose to use.